Yes, you can turn your 3/8-inch ratchet into a digital torque wrench. All you need is this M7 digital torque adapter. It has a working range of 5.01 to 99.57 pounds per foot. Just attach this adapter to your square drive ratchet, set the torque level, and get to work. You'll know you reached the right torque level by looking at the digital display. It shows torque units in pounds per foot, Newton meter, and kilogram centimeters. There's also an audible tone alert that lets you know you're there. Do you need to turn your 3/8-inch ratchet into a torque wrench? JB Tools has the best price on this digital torque wrench adapter. We're proud to be the exclusive North American dealer of M7 Air Tools. Shop with us and save.